Hi there, and welcome back to Delali. If you are someone who shoots pictures of products for social media marketing, like this microphone or like this soap here, then you've come to the right place. Today, I will show you how to make a soft box that allows you to take awesome pictures for your social media pages. Let's get right into it. Let's quickly look at the materials we require to build our little project. First, we have wood, wire clips, 13-arm plug, screws, lamp holders, energy saving bulbs, double core cable, cutting knife or utility knife, wax paper, and the box itself. The wood will serve as the main support for the lamp and lamp holder assembly. The wire clips would secure the wire on the wood to prevent it from moving. The wax paper will serve as our means of diffusing the light from the lamps. The cutting knife would be used to cut out the required shapes from the box. The lamps are our primary light source. The lamp holders. The cable connects the circuit to the AC mains power supply. The smaller screw fastens or secures the lamp holder to the wood. The bigger screws fastens the pieces of wood together. The 13-arm plug connects the circuit to the AC mains power supply. Now let's measure the length of our pieces of wood. This longer piece serves as the main support between both ends of the light box. These medium pieces serve as the mid-section of the support structure. These form the stand. Now let's assemble all the pieces together using the bigger screws mentioned earlier. The lamp holders on the support structure. Let's start by making markings. This will also aid with the wiring later on. Now cut the joints that mark the various lamp positions. Now cut the outer protective layer of the cable to expose the two cores. This is the schematic wiring of our circuit. Let's now proceed to expose the copper cores of the two cables. If you like what you see, make sure to click on the like button to give us a thumbs up. If you are new here, do well to subscribe to keep in touch on how to build more cool stuff. make sure to fasten your neutral and live wires tightly to prevent electrical sparks later on during the usage of your Lightbox. I made a small crack in the side of my lamp holder to allow the lamp holder to sit well on its support. Let's proceed to fix all the bulbs in the lamp holders. And let there be light. We would have to close one end of the box in order to serve as a support for our backdrop and also make the entire structure stable. Now let's lay the wax paper on one side of the box to be sure of how much space to cut out. Using a pencil, let's make a rough hand sketch of how much space we want to cut out. Also make sure to leave some space around for support. Let's proceed to cut out a similar space in the opposite direction. For the top part, we don't cut out the entire space because we want to be able to take pictures of items from above, and because of that, we need to cut it in a special way to allow us to open and close at will. Using some masking tape, let's proceed to secure the wax paper to all the cutout spaces on the box. In order for the backdrop to have a curved nature, it will require some form of support. Let's proceed to make one with this A3 sheet of paper. Backdrops of any color can be used. The light bulb can also be changed to bigger ones for more light. If you like what you see, make sure to click on the like button to give us a thumbs up. If you are new here, Do well to subscribe to keep in touch on how to build more cool stuff.